In this video, I'll explain how you can use Mailchimp for e-commerce and turn email marketing into more sales. Mailchimp can connect with your online store to help you sync customer and purchase data, giving you a better understanding of your customers and their buying behavior. Once your store is connected, you can create targeted email campaigns based on things like previous purchases, customer activity, or products they're interested in. You can also use e-commerce features to promote new products, announce sales, recommend products, and bring customers back to your store. One of the most useful features is automation. Depending on your plan and e-commerce setup, you can send messages such as abandoned cart reminders, welcome emails, and follow-ups automatically. Mailchimp also provides e-commerce analytics, helping you understand which campaigns are generating clicks, purchases, and revenue. The key is to send the right message to the right customer instead of sending the same email to everyone. If you want detailed step-by-step tutorials on setting up Mailchimp for e-commerce, check out our channel for more guides. And that's how you can use Mailchimp to grow your e-commerce sales with email marketing.